Vente, gordo.
Tráelo a Toby.
Vente. Oh, who did that? Who did it? Was it you, Lola? Was it you, Zoe? Zoe. Who did that? Where are you going, Lola?
Okay. Now drop.
Don't hold it.
Drop.
No, don't hold it. You won't,
Drop.
he's gonna pull it because you're holding it.
Okay.
Just tell him that don't hold on to it.
There. Oh, copper got it.
That's not cat.
Okay, bring it here. Come on. Drop.
Ever just say drop to a dog and they're like,
Scuba? Why did you eat all your treats? You're not gonna look at me? Scuba? Scuba? You're not gonna look at me? Scuba?
Stop! When is gonna stop?
I don't know. So weird.
It's so weird the cat is gonna lick my hair.
Did you put something in your hair?
No?
It just likes you?
Maybe there's a bug in its tail.
Do you want him to stop?
I was gonna lick him there. He did it last time too. No, last time he did it.
Excuse me, but why are you in my purse? Hello? Why are you in my purse? You don't belong in there. Okay. He's trying to get my gum inside my purse.
Preston, you need to wash your hair a little more often.
You didn't get the side very good.
Don't get me in the video. No.
Okay, so we have to... Is it because I'm gone? Like,
Right.
you know? Is he like judging me in a way because I left? But I mean, you literally call them every day. I know. And you worry and talk about the girls all the time, and you deserve it.
Oh, holy. What?
He gets up though, he is okay, and saves the Twins from an extra
Holy
base.
crap.
Hey, you feel his blood, you know? Yelled at? Ooh, he just got yelled at, and he's still doing it. It's kind of like when Mama yells at Oscar, he's not.
Oh, it's another dog.
I should be allowed to take my dog to work. Huh, Roscoe? Do you second that? Your vote counts. Your vote counts.
My turn again. My turn again. My turn again. My turn again now.
That's enough of that. No. Enough of that barking. That's it. No more. No. No more. That's enough.
And ding 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 ding.
Oh my god.
Boy, Frankie.
This man can't sit on that side. Woo! Did you see?